Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back and of course with another unboxing. Today we're gonna be doing an HERMES unboxing because it's what I love the most, you know. So you guys can see I dressed up for the occasion because as you know, this is my favorite color. So I know you guys are gonna ask me about my dress and it's from Zimmerman. Let me show you guys a little bit of it. Here it is. It's very, very cute. Go. It's from Zimmerman. It's very affordable. Well, you know, it's pretty affordable for the dresses that they make. Sometimes the dresses can get a little expensive, but this one was perfect because it's the same color as my Birkin that I recently got. Let's start with the shoes first. I know, more shoes, but hey, I love shoes. You know already that every time I see a pair of shoes that I like, I go ahead and get them. So let's see which ones these are. The bag I got yesterday, so that's why I'm unboxing today. Let's go ahead and do this. Let's see which ones these are. And I got another pair of the Oasis Sandal and I love this heel. I know I already got the hot pink ones. My last unboxing, I unboxed the hot pink ones, but last time I went to HERMES, I saw these ones and they didn't have my size. So my SA texted me like a couple days ago, and said, hey Yuri, I have these for you in your size. Do you want them? And of course, I want them because look how beautiful they are. They're a ruby color and the heel is spectacular. Look at that. And it matches perfect with pink. Look how beautiful this looks with pink. I am obsessed. Check and make sure, because she sent them out to me, let's make sure that they are the same size. And they are a 35. And by the way, these are in suede, which they are very comfortable to wear all day. And this heel is very comfortable too. It doesn't really make that much noise as I thought it would, because I already tested out the other ones. So these ones are it. This is so cute. I'm sorry guys, I think everything is cute. Okay, next, let's do these shoes. These are so me. I saw these on Instagram and I immediately asked my SA if she had them, and there was one size in another store and she managed to send them to me. Okay, are you ready for these? Because these are so beautiful. Look at that. They are so pretty. They have little diamonds on them. And these are also in suede right here with the little rhinestones. I'm gonna show you guys. And this one is calfskin leather right here. So they're very comfortable inside. I hate the old Orans, how they used to cut right here, remember? They used to have like a cut right here, and every time you just slide your foot in and out, it would just be so uncomfortable. But now they make them to where they're all one piece, and oh my god, these are so cute. I feel like everything I've been getting lately is pink. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing pink things on my channel. Let me know if you're tired of it, honestly, but here they are. They're so beautiful. And even though they're rhinestones, I can pull them off during the day and look super adorable when I wear them. These are it. Let's see, they focus. Oh, they're so pretty. Okay, and I think this color is Rose Japor. Yes, Rose Japor. I don't know. Sorry if my language is not perfect, but all right. Next, I want to show you guys this little box, which is, if you're a real Hermes lover, can you tell by the size of the box what it is? Yes, I'm sure you can. It's a belt. And here it is. Let's unbox it together. Okay, so here it is. It's the locket, the little locket belt, and I like it because it's in my favorite color. Look, it's the same color as my dress. It's a mauve Sylvester, and I am absolutely in love with it. And it's reversible, so you can wear it red. I think it's Rouge H, and then you can wear it with the mauve, which that's what I bought it for, of course, because it is stunning. Anything I can get in mauve, I will get. So that's that. And this belt is in Swift leather. This side is Swift leather or cowskin leather. It feels like Swift. And then this side is Epsom leather. So I love it. You can wear, I can wear this one with these sandals. They go perfectly. Look at that. Perfect match. Or I can wear it with pink. So pretty. All right, next I want to show you guys a couple of twillies I bought for my purse. Let's start off with this one. Okay, this one is in white. I have the same twilly but in maroon. So I bought it in white, which is, here it is. But what I love about it is that, I don't know if you can tell, but it has little pink dots everywhere, and pink and blue dots, and it is adorable. And they're still selling this one on the website. I've seen it multiple times, so yeah. And it is in Blanc and Azure, this one, which is the same, so I don't have to show it to you. I always try to buy two since I have the Birkins. I buy two. And I got a very special twilly, which it's not here because I already put it on, and I want to show you guys how pretty it looks. It is the Marble Silks twilly, and look how beautiful it looks. I absolutely love it. It has so many colors, and this one is a little more expensive because it is from a Japanese artist, and yeah, he was the one that designed it. I love it because look at this. It has little flies on it, and it's just the most beautiful twilly, and I got two of them, so I want to show you guys the twilly up close so you can see it. Okay, here it is. And if you can get your hands on this twilly, I've been wanting it for a long time, but I never had it. And one day I just randomly asked my essay, and she's like, yeah, I have it, I'll send it over. And she sent it over. Look how beautiful. It's like pink, purples, red, and it says Hermes Paris right here. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this really fast so you guys can see it, because I'm super excited and I'm ready to start wearing it. I'm gonna go out to dinner today, and I want to wear it because I really don't want to carry a big purse today or anything else. So I want to wear this. This is the bag I got, guys, right here. Okay. And here it is. You're not. Look at that. It's a Kelly to go wallet. And yes, it's in mauve Sylvester. Are you guys tired of seeing mauve yet? Because I'm not. Look. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It's the first time I see it. Let's open it together. Okay. So this is, I consider this a bag because it has the strap that you put on, oops, the sticker came off. It has the strap that you put on. There's that, and it should be in here. Okay, here it is. And let's put it on so you guys can see. It's right here. Let me show you guys the wallet first. So it has 4 credit card slots right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has this zipper slot, and it has this cute little lock that I'm gonna keep the little plastic on it just so I can take care of the hardware. And then it has this little things right here so you can strap on the strap. Let's see how it goes. All right, let's do this. So you put it through the little loop. Let me see. I don't want to struggle through. I don't want to break it. Oh, there you go. And then let's do the other one. And I will not be taking this off again because the little holes look questionable. It looks very, very questionable, so I don't want to be taking it on and off. And because look, it's literally 2 little holes you put it through, and yeah, doesn't look that secure. So that's how it goes. Look at that. Let's put it on. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take, oh, should I do that later? I was gonna go ahead and take some stickers off, but I'll do that later. There you go. Look how pretty. I will be wearing this all the time because I can just slip it on. Let's see if it's a good length. And it is a good length. It's a perfect length. Oh, so pretty. I love it. So a couple days ago, like 4 days ago, I get a text from my SA and she says, "Yuri, can I call you?" And you know what that means, because we always text. If she has something for me, we always text. And when she says, "Can I call you?" that usually means that she has something special for me, which I knew it wasn't gonna be a Birkin or Kelly because I am quoted out for the year. And when she said that, I was like, yes, you can call me. And picked up. She's like, "Hi love, how are you?" I was like, you have something special? She's like, "Yeah, it's not a Birkin or a Kelly, but I have a Kelly to go wallet in mauve." I was like, yep, yeah, I want it. I want it. She's like, "I knew you were gonna say yes." She sent it right over, and it came the next day. She didn't want to send it over because if it gets lost, they can't replace it. So she asked me if I could go in, and I asked her to please just send it over. You know, I have a lot going on right now, so I couldn't make it. It's like an hour and something, like an hour and 30 minutes away. So she sent it over, and she was a little scared to send it over, but it got here. I paid a little extra for secure shipping, and yeah, here it is. It is so beautiful. So you can get it up close. And here's the back. Has the 2 little things right here. Oh my god, how pretty. It's adorable. So that's another pink bag to my collection. All right guys, well, I'm very happy to be doing this unboxing with you guys. If you guys can please help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving either a leather good from HERMES or a silk, who knows. We'll figure that out once I get to 1,000 subscribers, but I would like to say thank you to you guys for watching me and give back, because I love giving. So let's figure that out when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much guys. I hope you guys have a beautiful Labor Day weekend. I know I am. I'm gonna start off my weekend by going to dinner. Thank you so much, and you guys have a beautiful weekend. Mwah.